but they didn't give a proper response. So you are the private entity, you are not a government entity. As a public, whom we are going to oppose, we are going to oppose to the district.
The same thing, just same thing I'm asking you now.
Wait, let me complete first, then you tell your part.
Okay.
We went to the DCSR, we went to the transport minister, we have given written complaint. See, this is all, it is addressed to the transport minister, Shri Jugan Mohan Dangoria. Okay, so they have received 10/10/2025.
Okay.
So after that, we went to the district commissioner. But that time also, the respected DCSR did not give a proper response. After that, we went to the circle officer. So it is not our duty to inform you whether we are going to protest in front of you or permise or not. See, as a public, we will going to talk to the respected government official. You are not a government official, so we went to the district commissioner, we went to the circle officer, and you are not right to ask to give you a official letter before we are going to do any kind of protest. First thing. Second thing, so what we are mentioning over here, that this route, due to the heavy load oil tanker, it is going to be like, you see, what is the condition is very bad, right? So we are requesting DCSR and Honorable Transport Minister that here they can do a proper investigation. Not only that, we have got to know from many people that the crude oil coming out from here, they are not going to the proper place. So the people name are Deepak Jain, he is from Bangalore as per our source, Bengal, and Neeraj Sasoni. So, and main. So, Dinaram Saha, Dimapur, Gopal Joshi, PC Company. So, these are the some of the culprit people who are all, they are taking crude oil from here and they are distributing some of their known petrol depot. So, for that reason, our local people, car and all those things are getting damaged due to the altered oil. So, sir, it is our earnest request to you as well as the district commissioner, take a proper action. So for that reason, this is the small protest. If your organization and our district commissioner and the circle officer will not going to take a proper action, will come in a bigger number, that time we will not going to inform anyone, we will going to completely close this organization. So that is our request, and for that reason we are here today. So we are happy that you people are coming out. Now our central committee leader also here, Akash Saikyada, and district secretary also there. So we'll see, this is the first point we are discussing with you, and we are requesting many times our district authority. Okay, so it is now in your hand and the district official. If they will not take the proper action, next time it will be bigger protest, and that time we will going to completely close this route, right?